What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're going to go over our friend Polygon Matic. Currently sitting at 0.56, down 1.4 on the day. Same market cap of 4.48 billion. Oh man, some people are probably like people who are new to the channel, like, what the hell is wrong with this guy? The market cap has come all the way down to 587 million. Let's hop into the charts. We're here on the 4-hour time frame. So we could be still putting in that wave 2 that we've been covering here. We're still within that range. It really depends if we are going to hold this trend line of support, which we're currently bouncing off of. You can see it better right here. You see this trend line. Currently Matic is holding this trend line. The CPI data is coming out today, so if it's positive, we could definitely see a large breakout, but we do have a double top pattern within a much larger double top. We've been watching that cup and handle, which is still in play. So really, I think this trend line is important because you can see we have a bit of a symmetrical triangle. So if this trend line were to be broken, you can measure the body, you can take it to your point of breakout, and that could bring Matic all the way down below these previous lows here. But if it were to break out to the upside, then you're looking at potentially a large breakout to take you back above $1. Something to keep a close eye on, as I've been mentioning, is Ethereum. We broke down from an ascending triangle. We are holding a major level of support, but if we have a retest, we get rejected, we come down, it's going to bring Matic down with it here. So just a quick little update for Matic. Really, the area that you want to see hold is this trend line. We are seeing a little bit of a bounce off the 0.382 at 0.549. The wave 2 pullback can technically retrace 99% of wave 1, but usually you want to see a bounce off the 0.5, the 0.618, or the 0.786. But if we lose this trend line of support, I don't think it would be a particularly good sign for Matic. And I do think you would have to see Ethereum start to roll over here, which would definitely be an early indication that Matic's going to come down with it. But if we do bounce, if the data is positive, we come up and break this high, then we can still be looking at a wave 3 that could take you all the way up. I just have to move everything over as the price action has moved a little bit over the course of the day here. You could still be potentially looking at a wave 3. And to measure your wave 3 target, take your trend-based fib extension from the bottom of your wave 1 all the way up to the top, down to the bottom of your wave 2, and you're looking for a 1.618 extension. From the current level, it's coming in at about 81 cents. That's basically it. Just a quick little update for Matic. If you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits, it's coming in at the $10 membership. For my exact trade signals, my spot trades, as well as my leverage trades, recently made a 12% profit on our Matic trade and locked in some gains for Ethereum. And 2,000 members posting chart patterns, posting their own trade signals as well. And you can sign up through the Patreon if you want to trade with me. Make sure to sign up to Bybit, $4,500 in bonuses. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.